This isn't gonna be long. I just want to show you. This is gonna be hilarious though. Alright, I'll show you the whole video. If I can. Oh my gosh. Hilarious bird. Baraka bird. That's cool. Wait, a bird riding a bird. That's weird. The bird's got insane. Bird. Oh my god. The bird's insane. What is that crow doing? I'm also sorry I haven't made a couple of videos in a very long time. It's just I've been sick. What? That bird's scared. Oh, poor bird. That's hilarious. What is that bird doing? Oh my god. That's an insane amount of birds. I mean, I want a parrot, but... Oh no. No, poor parrot. Oh my god. Yep. What? What? And sorry if I don't say goodbye, just take this as a goodbye, but not right now. The bird. Whoa. Ta-da! That's an owl. Oh, it's a Japanese box. That means the parrots are in Japan? I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. Move it. I like to move it. What? What is the bird doing? The bird's stuck, I'm pretty sure. It's a parrot. Bird! Strange bird. What is a bird doing? The parrot's insane. Oh no, the poor bird.